So itong pattern ng culture of violence, swak yan sa betrayal of trust. Ang sinasabi nila, at isa pang pinakita, I'm sorry, I want to insert this, no? Pinakita pa nila yung trust ratings ng Pulse Asia, no? Iba yon, yung pinakita ng, I don't know what company that is, no? But the one that they presented in evidence showed that the approval and trust ratings of the Vice President went up, no? First of all, iba yung popularity, no? Ano yung sample size na yan? And what period was it taken, no? So, iba yung trust ratings, iba yung betrayal of public trust. Kino-confuse nila yan eh. So, although intelligent ang ating listeners, intelligent naman ang ating viewers, at hindi na maluloko ang mga mamayang Pilipino sa mga tactics na ginagawa
Oo.
to confuse the issues.